Okay, this question is about a vertical throw with no air resistance. So if you take upward to be positive, then at all time during the motion, the acceleration should be downward 9.81. So in this column, you should only see negative 9.81. As for the velocity, it should decrease downward by 9.81 every second because the acceleration is downward 9.81 meter per second, right? So at t is equal to 0, it's actually upward 19.6. Give it 1 second, it will be 9.81 upward. Give it another second, it will be 0. Give it another second, it should be downward 9.81. So there should be a negative sign here. Give it 2 more seconds, it will become downward 29.4 meter per second. So this is the correct one. Okay, ta-ta.